Have you heard of IoT? The Internet of Things is rapidly becoming a part of everyday life. IoT is a giant network of connected devices. These devices gather and share data about how they are used, as well as the environment in which they are operating. It is all done using embedded sensors that are found in all the elements of the IoT system. IoT systems can be found in the mining and industrial industries, bulk fuel storage facilities, and even in construction. IoT provides a common platform for all the machines and devices to dump their data and a common language for the devices and machines to communicate with one another. The data can then be analyzed and valuable analytics extracted to make improvements in efficiencies, automation, and identify issues quickly. Flosmart is FloSolve's IoT solution, which gives you real-time data for condition-based maintenance. Give your business the ability to have proactive responses, to avoid potentially catastrophic failures, and to implement preventative maintenance schedules. This translates into savings. Get SMS and email notifications with regards to filter life, tank breather filter life, the presence of water in oil, wear debris in oil, temperature of oil, grease reservoir levels, as well as system operation and status. It is becoming increasingly important to monitor carbon emissions. GSM technology such as 3G, 4G and 5G is used to share the data. More data translates into more informed decision-making. With a greater flow of data, trends can be analyzed to improve maintenance planning. Contact FloSolve today. Find out how Flosmart can help your business. www.flosolve.co.za